Hi, my name is Reed Salmon from Sugarland Harmony Public Schools, and I'm here to show you a short demonstration of my PBL project titled Riding with Electricity. This experiment involves the forces of electricity and electrolysis, which is the process by which an electric current passes through a substance by chemical change. In this experiment, I hypothesized that salt water, not water from the sugar, will be able to get a ladder of papers to undergo electrolysis, which in turn allows copper wire, an electric conductor, to write a message on paper. Here's a short demonstration of my story. So, this educated performer has now soaked the goldenrod paper into a bath of salt water. He next put the paper on a sheet of aluminum foil. He will then put the positive alligator clip on the positive end of the battery and then connect the other clip on the sheet. He will take the negative alligator clip, which is black, and hook it on the negative end of the battery, and then with the other clip write the word science on the paper. And as seen, he used science to write the word science. So how does that actually happen? The performer soaked the paper in a pan of salt water. Now, because salt water is a strong electrolyte, which means that its molecules can separate into ions when dissolved in water, it will pass its high electric conductivity to the paper when it's soaked into the paper. The paper has two ends to it, a yellow end and a red end. The red end is attracted to the negative electrode, and the yellow end is attracted to the positive electrode. The positive electrode is connected to the foil, and the negative electrode was used to write on the paper, while the red end shows up. Also, the battery, alligator clip, paper, and aluminum foil are all part of a circuit. The battery with stored electricity passes electricity to the alligator clips, and by the forces of attraction and electrolysis, the red end shows up on the writing. So the ELA component of my PBL project, I wrote an argumentative essay on the role and need of electricity in our modern lives. The many luxuries that we humans use require electricity, proving that without electricity you will live in a very different way, providing a great argument for the essay that I wrote on my website. For the social studies connection of my PBL project, I wrote a report on the history of electricity. Electricity's history is one of the longest histories that you will ever know, and from Charles Augustin de Coulomb's developments of electrotactic attraction to Thomas Edison's invention of the light bulb, electricity's history is as immense and complex as a maze of centuries filled with many discoveries. Well, that's it for me and my presentation of the PBL project titled Riding with Electricity. If you want to look at my website or see the video that I put in this presentation, click on the links below in the description. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check my website titled Riding with Electricity. So.